how to make clock bigger like that. You can see this is the small clock, but this is the big clock. So how to make it as big? For that you need iOS 26. For this phone, you can see if I go to the setting, go to the general option about, then you can see I am using the iOS 18. So you have to update your phone with iOS 26. This is my iPhone 17 Pro. Press and hold skin, then go to customization, then you can see this picture. If you want to change the color, you can also do it. Press on done, then it will be set like that. But iOS 18, you can just change your color or like that, but don't able to big clock. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.